Welcome to my channel. My name is Marlies and I would like to show you how you can decorate an old book page into a journal page. I started out by folding the page into 3 equal parts, just to give it an extra nice effect with folding in and folding out. After that, I am tearing some paper away on the sides just to roughen up the look. After roughening up the edges, I am inking them with the archival ink coffee color, just to age it a little bit. And right now I am going to start with some interest in the background. I am using the Tim Holtz design tape. They are ideal for this. There are a lot of lovely patterns and colors to use, so there will be something for you to like. And to be sure that the tape will stay in the background, I am applying a little layer of glue on the back. On the left side you can see a piece of paper, so at first I thought I wanted to make a pocket over there. Later on you will see that will disappear because a pocket on the left side, while folding this page in 3 parts, it will be too bulky. You can see you can build your backgrounds with different kind of tapes. What I keep in mind is that I use the horizontally and also the vertically direction. I really like to use images out of old books, and the books that I have in my stash are mostly from the flea market or the thrift store. In those books I am looking for images that are hand-drawn and not photographed. Most themes that I'm looking for are like birds and butterflies, some insects, old ads, music sheets, everything that has an aged and drawn look. I am trying to find the right composition for my tags and labels, the flowers and the birds. So I'm just playing around a little bit until I am satisfied with the overall look of the page. And as soon as I am happy with the layout, I am going to ink up all the edges and do some stitching behind the scenes. I would also like to embellish the labels. I am using the Field Notes stamp set from Tim Holtz. It's a very versatile stamp set. There are a lot of stamps in different sizes, so there's always a stamp that will fit your project. Be aware that you do not have to use only one color of ink. I would like to use multiple colors that are also in the project. So I am working with the red geranium from the archival ink and the watering can from the archival ink. When it is time to glue down your layout, it is very handy to make a picture with your phone, with your cell phone, just to remind yourself where you want your pieces to be. The pieces that I'm gluing down right now are from the Field Notes ephemera pack. I really adore them. I love the collect and specimen cards. At this point of the project, I saw a lot of blue tones, which I do like, but I missed a color, and that is the pop of red. And I found these cute embellishments in the Field Notes ephemera pack from Tim Holtz. When you like this video and you have seen some new ideas for your own work, I would appreciate it if you would like the video, comment, or subscribe to my channel, or maybe become a patron of mine. Bye!